You know when you feel out of place somewhere? That's me right now. I brought my PA to a robot factory so they could showcase their products, and I'm definitely out of my element. I wonder what that's powering. Nothing big.
Very big.
I'm not gonna plug into that. So lots of stuff to work around. Got my tape. Less than ideal speaker placement. I can hear it starting to kind of kick off a little bit. And one extra curveball to bring it all together. So I guess I'm gonna do is like a recording for them. But enough talk. It's time to get my safety equipment on. I got these really neat steel-toed boots that I have to wear to keep my toes safe. They look like bowling shoes. Nothing to see here. All the way down. One trip down. Great. I don't know why I haven't taken my backpack off yet, but I haven't. One more. This will be like where the speakers are gonna go. Do you wanna like throw them down and see? Well, that's in the way, but see what it kind of looks like? So this can go behind the TV, or we can go in front, I don't care, but the speakers will go higher than the TV. It's a big one. Oh yeah, okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you think they'll be standing like really far up here?
Yeah, so about the stage area, they're gonna come in carpet, nothing too crazy.
Okay. The only issue with the speakers being behind the microphones is feedback. And I can like take out frequency so it doesn't feedback, but we'll throw it up and see what it does. I mean, you know, and then we'll adjust after that. And they're gonna be going into that room to like talking to and doing stuff. Okay.
There's gonna be like a demo of the robots.
Yeah. There's gonna be one XLR and then tape it with black gaff tape and maybe put like a bright piece of tape on it.
Good, but I will ask our man.
It would just be like right here, yeah. Be like all the way across here.
It'd be good if you could run it like under the curtains so we don't see the line that much.
Yeah.
That would be the best.
Okay. And then the carpet on top. Great. Easy, man. Let's unpack the stuff. I don't know where to put all this stuff. I don't want to be in the way. I feel like everybody's watching me. Am I in trouble? Where am I least in the way? What do you say?
Everybody's good with this filming.
Okay, cool. That's great. And like, we'll probably have to be stuff that's blurred out, but at least it's not like the cars where like we had no idea why we had to blur them out.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't show the cars. I'm standing next to a car, like that behind you. We'll get our power from over here.
If we come here, it says we need to wear like
Okay,
a hard
hat. Okay.
Yeah,
I can wear a hat.
It's no big deal, but
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah. All right, now I have a hat on. So I get to wear a cool hat too.
All right, what's next?
We're going to set up our wireless equipment. This, and this will be for an access point. Wireless mics. This hard hat's throwing me off.
You don't have to wear it out here.
I know, but am I gonna take it, turn it, like, I have to keep it with me all the time. I gotta like, put it on and off anytime I go over there.
In front of the yellow line.
Yeah, I gotta, that side of the yellow line, he was like, you gotta put it on, especially if you're filming. So like, okay. I'm just gonna keep it on. All right. Now I get to test out my new loom. Thank you, Sean. It's not actually in a loom, or in a mesh loom, I guess. It is as described, taped together. But it still will be cleaner. Let me demonstrate. We got 1, 2, and we're done. That took like no time at all.
Easier?
Oh yeah.
How much time do you think you saved?
3 to 5 minutes. A good amount. A good amount. I mean, like a serious good amount. A sad amount, because I've been doing that crazily.
For a long time.
Yes. Look out. I didn't do it. That wasn't me.
Like I would know what that was.
Yep. That's pretty great. I feel it's like I'm acting like I just discovered like I invented looms or something.
Did you forget?
Nothing, I didn't forget anything. Might be better just to throw this here for line of sight purposes.
There's kind of like 3 robots.
Yeah, there's 3 robots over there. Okay, now I'm
Smile for me.
gonna go into the danger zone.
Okay, I'll stay out of the danger.
You have to, you don't have a hard hat. How can you possibly? So we're gonna throw the SD8 by the first speaker, because it's easier than running a bunch of cables. We're gonna run the 1 cable. 111.
Section.
Okay. See if the iPad works. No light. Kind of weird.
Is it plugged in back here?
Yeah, it was unplugged. Let's see if it turns on. Hey,
Is it turning on?
the router is. All right, well, we'll just come back to that actually and let it boot up. Hopefully it turns on. Gotta get my helmet. Look out. This still isn't booting up. There it goes.
How do you feel?
I need to see it turn blue before I feel better. But I think we'll be okay. Let's see what this looks like.
Careful.
Yeah, there it is.
Now, how do you feel?
I feel way better. I guess I unplugged it this last night or this morning. There we go. Okay, I'm glad I brought these. Turn it on. All right, I'm gonna daisy chain, or not daisy chain, but go from one side to the other. All right. Can we move these things so I can put the speaker
Yeah.
down?
Tell me which one is like.
Just this one. They're both in the way, but this one, this one's the only one that I really need moved. So. Don't have much of this left. All right. Flip down that other speaker now. I feel like we're intruding so hard. Everything's all over the place right now. There it is. And I plug it in. Plug it in. I just need power. Now, hold on. What did I do with my tape? Okay, there it is. Might be smart to test this.
Oh, Connor, there's one right there.
Oh, that's way easier. There's one right here. I wonder what that's powering.
That is for the lower.
Nothing big.
Very big.
I'm not gonna plug into that.
It's on the same line, I think.
You think so? It's on the same circuit? Well, we'll see. Don't break anything now. Glad I had that on. Good Lord. I forgot my tape. Shit. We'll see if that passes their inspection. Kind of think it won't. All right, it's on. See if this works. That's all I gotta do.
See if what? The PA works.
Yeah. Got these. Hey, 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 check 1, 2. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey, 3, 4. Hey, hey. Cool. It is loud in here.
Yeah, you're coming over it nicely, though.
Am I?
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought this would clear the TV. Maybe not. All right, well, it works. I'm gonna test out the headset. Headset mic, oh, headset mic. The very expensive headset mic.
Well, one is, the other's...
They're neither of the ones we're using today.
Oh, you have two of the really nice ones?
No.
Oh, you have two of the really
Yeah.
not nice ones.
They sound fine. This will be the pink. Yeah, come on. There we go. Okay. Let's see if this works with a hard hat on. That's kind of important, right?
They'll probably be wearing a hard hat.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good. I don't know why it would affect it. Now, the only thing I'm worried about with this is feedback, given that it's an omnidirectional microphone. So, check 1, 2. Hey, check 1, 2. I can hear it starting to kind of kick off a little bit. Check.
Really?
Hey, check 1, 2. But I haven't EQ'd anything yet, so. Oh yeah, I don't have my sound bullet in. That'll help. So we're gonna put the sound bullet in the back to create a noise floor.
Where else did you do that?
At the women's conference thing.
That's right.
I need to remember where it is. It's on channel 8. It's not being routed through the main, so it's not going anywhere. And we're just sending pink noise through the system. All right, we're almost there. So we got that in there. Check 1, 2, check, check. Hey, hey. 3, 4, hey, hey. All right, we good? All right. We'll get the laptop going and get audio from that. And then if you guys want to check y'all's feed for headphones out of our box, we can do that after we do the laptop.
Our IT guy,
Okay.
maybe he can hook up the presentation, kind of like a demo
Yeah.
version.
I think I'm going to end up probably taping this to here. Kind of like what we do with Charlie, but just going to tape it here. Just like that. I need to program that real quick. So I'm gonna go over here and go into our routing. I just need to plug a local input and reroute that to go into a AES input. Local 9 is gonna take from AES 3. And then that way we can plug it into the stage box So let's go do that. The input is now AESA right here, input 3. So we'll come out of this. Nice. You want to try it out?
You can try it out.
Okay. Let me get my iPad. Yeah, we should be good.
Okay, I'll switch back to the...
And just turn it all the way up on your computer.
There's like included material with voiceover, also like a person speaking.
Let's hear that.
Yeah.
That's probably going to sound not great.
Smooth
I'm in charge
and
here.
ready to withstand the elements. A clear demonstration of precision and quality.
Robots.
We hope we've provided enough value to our partners.
Where do you want to take audio from, like, for your recordings?
You mean like for the static cameras?
Yeah.
Because we have an interesting setup for a static camera. I don't even know if it's possible. Have you seen
No.
one of these?
No. This has a microphone in it, right?
No.
It doesn't?
That's the weird thing. Yeah.
That's gonna be tough to sync up in post. Yeah, the not having a microphone on the camera makes it really difficult.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I know that. Okay.
I can record it for you, but I don't know what you can do with it.
Okay, that's kind of our problem.
Okay.
So it's all good as long as we have the audio.
No worries, man. We're here.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna do just like a recording for them. Headed back to the robot factory. It's 6:40 in the morning. And I'm a little bit tired, but we'll get there. Get my laptop out. I'm not used to doing this, so I'm just gonna record to Logic and hope that works. I don't really know how they're gonna do this, but their cameras don't have microphones. I don't know how they're gonna sync this up in post, and they seem cool with it, so we're just gonna have to work within that mindset. So, I don't know. We're just gonna have to see. Okay, I don't know. Or output 1 to input 2 of my universal audio thing. Forgot to mention that it's day 2. All right, it is recording. I don't know what that's gonna sound like, but this is the green or the yellow wireless. That's working. And then the 2 wireless mics. Blue, hey, check 1, 2. Hey, 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 hey. Send those a little hotter. And hey, check, hey, hey. Hey, 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 check 1, 2. Okay, those all work. All right, now we're gonna listen to this. I don't know how I'm gonna send this to him or like record this all day. I don't really know. I've never had to do this. So it's a new thing for me. Yep. All right. And then the actual microphone's supposed to just kind of go right at the corner of your mouth. You can,
Okay, so
and then
right
onto the ears. You can do that if you like.
The beauty of the system is, and we have these visions,
All right.
Yeah.
Don't forget your wallet.
It's not getting unloaded tomorrow. Let's go home.